Bismillah. Think you need big money or tech skills to start an online business? Think again. I know it seems impossible and hardly really conceivable, but you should realize how many people are online. Low investment, fast returns are possible. People are making money without putting money in some businesses online. You should realize that in this day and time. This is a different time. Of course, that's not going to happen for everybody. And it's not an easy ride. There's work involved. There's learning involved. Skills. But whether or not you can be able to do that quickly, easily, and without background, all depends on which program you decide to go with. The one that I found is really, of course, in my opinion, the best. Because I don't have tech skills. And many people who start this journey don't have tech skills. The investment is very, very little. The return is great because you get 100%. Not everything that you're going to see online outside of this program can tell you that you will make 100%. From your first sale, you're going to make 100% profit. Maybe two. You wind up doubling your money. And that can happen the same day you get all the systems working together. It is possible to do. It is conceivable for you. No matter what you're doing now or where you at, it's possible. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a degree. You don't need no past experience. Wi-Fi, smartphone, or a laptop, pretty much in business. This is a journey that you really need to see. Let me show you a couple of my friends. We have in our community a whole platform that we use where people celebrate their wins and glories. This is my friend Darryl. After being fired, after being a top welder on his job for 14 years, he started doing the Legacy Builder program. He went to 6 figures in 5 months. This is my friend Amy. She earned her $100,000 in 9 months, coming off of working 2 8-hour jobs a day for decades, for like 2 decades. She worked 2 8-hour jobs daily. Then she found the program. Then she plugged into the system. Then she followed the step-by-step blueprint you need to follow. Not the yellow brick road, because you don't need the goal, but you can follow the blueprint to the goal. This is my friend Victoria. 5 months, being a stay-at-home mom, husband in the military. 5 months she made her first $100,000. And in less than a year, she made over $400,000 and bought a new home, her and her husband. Not everybody can do that. But the blueprint, not the yellow brick road, will lead you down that path. You need to follow and check out the blueprint. You can do it. We can do it. The community is growing every day, helping one another reach their goals. Some going to do it fast, some going to do it slower, some going to do it faster. What do you want to be? Keep doing that job, keep taking the grind. Start the journey now. Start learning, start earning while you're learning. Okay? Come join us. Check out the website, halaldailyincome.com. halaldailyincome.com. Halal. Clean, ethical and honest. Halal, daily income. Check it out. Your turn.